Hello everyone, today I will introduce the latest model lawnmower to you. It takes on the exterior design environment. The two headlights on the front face can be controlled remotely. The remote control can turn the headlights on and off. The red part is the gasoline engine of the lawnmower. The engine is a one-button start design. The switch button is at the rear of the lawnmower. I will show you later. The lawnmower is 800 mm long, width is 810 mm. The tires are anti-skid. The rear of the lawnmower is an electrical cabinet. This is the main switch. The lawnmower circuit is turned on after pressing it. The battery and voltage will be displayed here. This is the one-button start button of the engine. After the engine is turned on, the whole engine starts to work. Here is the throttle line. Throttle line controls speed and size. Here is the shutdown button. To stop work, click here and the mower turns off. The lawnmower adapts 4-wheel drive and 4-turn, 4 motors and 4 drives. So the power is very strong. Adopt 4-wheel differential. The off-road effect of the lawnmower is particularly good.